Hi all. The analytical community is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. Let's look at each parameter in more detail below. If you want, you can pause the video. We suggest looking at all the indicators of the corporation under study in more detail. We will analyze the key indicators of the organization with you. Impinj Inc., ticker PI. The review was made using current information as of August 21st, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets company Impinj Incorporated belongs to the subcategory Semiconductor Electronics. 44 organizations are participating in the assessment. We will see the final decisions at the end of this video. The overall result for the company under study is as follows: minus 1.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 4.1 points. If you look at it very broadly, within the framework of the entire market as a whole, note that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 1.5 points for the company Impinj Inc. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares Impinj Inc. and subcategory shares, we can see that over 12 months the shares Impinj Incorporated showed a change of 2.5%. 48.4% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the organization Impinj Incorporated valued at $4.79 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $2,518 billion. The company's book value is $0.19 billion. With a book capitalization of the subcategory of $369 billion. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Impinj Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.19%. Book value capitalization is 0.05%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's debts amount to $0.29 billion. Debt to book value is 156% of the company's equity. The result for the company's debt obligations, bad, minus 1 point. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 7,989. Average for the subcategory is 523.7. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to its profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit over the last 12 months was $1 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $76 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 13.4. Average for the subcategory is 10.7. Evaluation of the company's stock price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $360 million. Revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $720 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The sales margin is 0.2%, with an average of 2% in the subcategory. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.097%. This is 96% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $10,628,000, while in the subcategory there are $5,440,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is $1,300, with an average for the subcategory of $10,400. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's sales per employee is $796,000. In the subcategory, $508,000. Revenue per employee compared to companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions was 12.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 1.9%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 67% for the company Impinj Inc. In the subcategory, this level is 49%. The company's current share price is approximately $165. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $171. Let's go to the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the information and reference system of Evaluation GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of securities Impinj Inc. Information system of assessment GURU.Markets, a decision is made. Order to open a fall at $164.78 per share. The deal is open because the company has a rather poor rating and price movement. The company's assessment is based on the assessment method, the Impinj index. Take profit is set at 118.35. Stop loss is set at 211.21. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically based on the results of the trading session on September 20th, 2025, or on the last trading day before that date. Ticker GLOB is the main purchase transaction. The video on the main order has already been published on the channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is closed at the final price. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the help system. GURU.Markets.